Okay, welcome back. So last time we saw we had created a website, default website with no content on it. So let's click on auto installer, and here you get a lot of content management system software. These are what, so for different kind of websites you get different kind of content management software. So WordPress I'll be using since it's the easiest and the most versatile. You can host your own personal web page or a blog or pretty much anything. So these are all which is available: community building, photos and files, different types. So let's start with the WordPress. So go to WordPress and where you want to install. So since for my main website, I'm installing this for my main website, and so you need MySQL version. So you only get 2 MySQL databases for free, and this would use one of them. So you can only install 2 WordPress scripts on your website, and it takes up to 21 MB, but we don't have to worry since we already have 2 GB of free. So let's enter a password for and let's enter a website title and tagline: learn now, install. So now this will install, or you can do this manually also by downloading WordPress setup from the website, and then using you can extract it to your web folder using their file manager. I'll show you that also shortly. So it takes a little bit of time. Let's check it. Okay, it is done. Now if I open learn this, now you can see this is the default setup which WordPress gives me. And then okay, so now we have to edit it. So what we do is go here and click WP admin. So update the database. This is the MySQL database. So now if I check my databases, MySQL database, so one of them is created and it is using this. So let's enter, and there you'll have the control panel. Okay, so right now we don't have anything on the website. So let's start by choosing a theme. So let's say I want something, okay, this is fine. Let's customize it. The tagline I've already entered. Colors, I can choose the colors. Let's use a little bit. Okay, this is not going to change because this is not the background. Anyway, the header image I don't have. Widgets for the sidebars. Oh, the layout that is there. Okay, let's leave it like this. And let's create a new page. Let's create a few pages. Okay, so I'll create page 1 and let's get some text. Okay, let's take this paragraph and paste it twice. Now I have one page. So this is my main page. Okay, so I can choose the parent. This is the main page. Template, contributor page of folder. I'll use a default template. Now let's view the page. So this is my page. Now here, as you can see, if you don't want this, you can go to the screen options, discussions, and here you can disable the comments. So now this will look like a normal web page. See, and there we already have a page 1. Okay, so now if you see all pages, there is an about page here and a page 1. Let's create a few more. Page 2. Let's see the other contributor page, publish. And now if we reload, here we have our page 2. This is the contributor page 1. This is what it looks like. Let's create another page, page 3, and let's full width page. So what this will do is page 3 would nothing. Okay, I also don't need comments on this page. Let's say no, these are not posts but main pages, so these won't appear here. Now let's go to posts and let's start adding a few posts and see how it looks. So you can these are the formats, so you can experiment and learn. To get it, let's get started with post. Let's start with 3 posts. Post 2, okay, let's see how it looks now. Post 1, post 2, and this page. This is my sidebar. Let's see what appearance. Widgets are the small pieces of the code. Like right now there is none. So let's say in primary sidebar I put up a page list. So here it goes, pages, sort by page title, save. And for a content sidebar, let's put up a primary number of 5. Okay, and also we need post date. For footer I don't need anything. Let's check menu. Okay, let's see now. So now we have a page and a post sidebar. Now let's create a menu. Create a new menu and main. These are okay, so now this menu, top primary menu and secondary menu in left sidebar. So you can get one menu here, and this is your primary menu. So I'll use this for top primary menu. 1 2 3 4. I'll add to the menu. So these are the save, and this is the menu. Now suppose I want to put all page 2 under page 3. So this is how I do it. I save, and now when I reload, I get page 2 under page 3. So this way I can create multiple pages and as a sub page, a hierarchy of pages. Okay, so and you can add a different category or a special or different link as a menu item, and then you can create another menu for your as a secondary menu in the sub. So there are only 2 menus. There are lots of ways of adding more. You have a lot of plugins that you can add, and one of the main plugins that you would need immediately, I would highly recommend, is the Jetpack by WordPress. This is a brilliant plugin. It has lots of inbuilt plugins, features, and basically this is the power pack for your website. So that's it. You have a working website. You can try with more themes, try to customize it. You can try to change the CSS using the Jetpack plugin, and basically anything you want. Okay, thank you.